Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shabir. So welcome to my next channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Today I am going to explain Cisco ISE licensing. Many engineers understand configuration, but they get confused when it comes to licensing. And remember this: even if your configuration is perfect, wrong licensing planning can break your entire networks. So in this video, I will explain what is a base license, what is a plus license, what is a apex license, how licenses are calculated, real world example, and how choose the correct license. Let's start. So why license is licensing matter? Cisco ISE network access control system, it control who can connect to the network, what device is connecting, whether that device is secure, what access that user should get, but not all features are available by default. Cisco provide different licenses. Think of licensing unlocking the level of software. Most more advanced features require higher license level. First license is base license. Base license foundation layer. Base license is foundation layer. Without base license, Cisco cannot function properly. Without base license, Cisco ISE cannot function properly. Base license provides R 802 1x authentication. MAC authentication is a bypass. Guest portal, basic monitoring and reporting. Its base license is mandatory for these features. 8021 authentication, MAC based authentication, guest portal access. Basic monitoring and reporting is required for base license. Let's explain simply. 802 authentication means user must authenticate before getting network access. MAC authentication means used for devices like printers, IP phone, camera, and IoT devices is required for MAC. Guest access allows visitor to log in use KP portal. Simple word is base license gives your basic authentication control. If your requirement is only for user authentication, guest Wi-Fi, base access control, then base license is enough. But base does not give device intelligence or compliance checking. You need plus license. So next topic is plus license. Plus license built on top of base. It add advanced visibility and security checks. The first major feature is profiling. Profiling means Cisco ISE can automatically identify what device is connecting. For example, laptop, mobile phone, printer, IP phone, CCTV camera, medical devices. This is very important because you should not treat every device the same way. Printer should not have the same access or as a laptop. Profiling help you apply smart policies. The second feature is a posture assessment. Posture means checking whether device is compliant or not or secure. Cisco ISE can verify is antivirus installed, is antivirus updated, is operating system is patched, is firewall is enabled. If device is not compliant, Cisco ISE can block access or limited access or move to the remediation quarantine VLAN. This is very important of companies that follow the compliance standard. Third feature is TrustSec. TrustSec allows segmentation using security group stack instead of controlling access using VLAN only. We can apply policy based on user role and device type. For example, HR user can access HR servers only. Finance user cannot access HR servers. This gives you very powerful segmentation. Most enterprise environment require base plus license. Third option is Apex license. Apex license advanced security level license. Apex license include everything from base and plus. Apex license is everything from base and plus, and it adds advanced threat features for advanced threat features available on base license. These include advanced threat detection, vulnerability assessment, rapid threat content. This means if the malware spread inside the network, Cisco ISE can quickly identify and isolate infected endpoints. Apex is typically used in banking, financial institutes, government networks, large enterprise networks. If security requirement is if security requirements are very high, Apex is recommended it. License consume. How to license are counted. Now let's talk about the license are consumed. The most common model is endpoint session license. Endpoint session license. Each active device session consume one license. For example, if you have 500, if you have 500 devices are connected at the same time, you need 500 license. If when a device disconnected, the license become available again. So always calculate based on concurrent active session, not total employees. This is very important. How calculate the license? Example, a company has 250 employees. Each employee has one laptop, one smartphone. That means 250 multiplied by 2 equal 500 devices. Additionally, there are 50 guest users. So total concurrent devices 500 plus and 500 equal total 550 devices. If the company need profiling and posture assessment, you need at least 550 base license and 550 plus license. Always add extra for buffer capacity 10 to 50% because network users can grow. Let's understand this one example. Let's understand the example. Doctor and nurse need secure authentication, device profiling, and posture compliance. So they require plus license. Administrative staff only need basic authentication. So base license is enough. Visitor needs guest license. Base license is enough. Medical devices need profiling, so plus license is required. This how you design license smartly. How license are monitoring. After deployment, monitoring is very important in Cisco ISE. Go to Cisco ISE, administrative licensing, check current uses, peak uses, remaining license. If the license are fully consumed, new user cannot be authenticated. This can be used production outage. So always monitor license user regularly. So final the final summary is simple. Everything is base license gives authentication and foundation. Base license gives authentication and foundation. Plus license gives visibility and compliance. Base license gives authentication foundation. Plus license gives visibility and compliance. Apex license gives advanced threat protection. Before purchasing license, count concurrent endpoints, identify required features, plan and future growth, monitor use regularly. Smart licensing planning ensure stable and secure deployment. If this video is helpful for understand Cisco ISE licensing clearly, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.